Well, good morning. Ira Epstein with your Morning Flash Update. And this update is for the morning of Friday, August 8th, 2025, just getting on to 8:15 a.m. Central Time. And the stock market, well, it continues with its rally. Not out of the trading range, not making new highs for anything on the month of August, not making new lows, just sort of doing one of these things. Now, the big news was gold last night, which went to 35.34. And I'm going to somebody make a fat finger trade, which means they hit by accident. Let's assume you were buying 10 contracts, you bought 100. Well, in this case, maybe 100 becomes 1,000. As it turns out, that wasn't it. Rather, here's where you go with that news. This morning, by the way, you're going to get Fed President, St. Louis Fed President, Muslim, speaking at 9:20 Eastern Time. So we'll look for what he does. But this is the gold news. And by the way, today, I am doing a special report, you know those reports, you've seen them before, on gold, and then a second one on the U.S. dollar. Look for them both out over the weekend, maybe as early as tonight. The U.S. Customs Border Agency sold 1 kilo of a 100-ounce gold bar. What does that mean? It said, and I said sold, U.S. customers said that 1 kilo of gold or a 100-ounce bar should be under the customs code subject to higher tariffs. So you've got Switzerland at a 39% tariff. They're running, a $38 billion deficit, one of their main exports to the U.S.? That. 1 kilo bars are the most popular form of the metal traded on the COMEX. That's the ones that we're using in the U.S. And that's the biggest gold futures market. Switzerland, 39, but what about other countries? 25, 15. So what this does is it raises the price of gold that's imported into the United States in the form of a bar. Very important because there's a lot of that. So what that did is it kicked the gold market up when this news finally came out. I don't know how it got under all of our radar because we were told that one of the biggest exports of Switzerland, 39%. I never put two and two together, but should have, I guess. Bonds and notes down a little bit today. Grains, a very mixed picture, as you can see. Wheat about stable, corn down a half, beans down 3 cents. There's certainly no real big movement there. Bitcoin slipping off of the rally that it came off the lower Bollinger Band with and giving up a little bit of that. So again, remember, look for an email from me when I publish my special reports on gold and the dollar. It'll either be today or tomorrow. You can get free access to all of our goodies by clicking the icons above. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a great trading day, and I'll catch up with you over the weekend. Take care.